Hello everyone, and in this video I will analyze Monzo Loan review and talk about the overview, Monzo Loan rates, feature, how to access to Monzo Loan, pros and cons, eligibility criteria, credit score requirements, Monzo Loan instant decision, multiple loan, repayment on Monzo Loan and the conclusion. But first please subscribe to the channel. So without further ado, let's begin. As a prominent challenger bank in UK, Monzo has expanded its services to include personal loans accessible through its widely used app. In a departure from conventional lending methods, Monzo's loan offerings are exclusively online, requiring applicants to establish a Monzo account and download the app for the application process. Monzo loans rates. Monzo Bank's personal loan feature a representative APR of 14.8% for loan amount ranging from £10,000 to £25,000. This loan option provides flexibility with repayments terms spanning 2 to 5 years, allowing applicants to request borrowing amounts between £200 and £25,000. Features. Monzo provides unsecured loans, eliminating the need for collateral against the loan. Approval for the loan is contingent upon your credit score and your demonstrated capacity to repay the borrowed amount. The borrowing range spans from £200 to £15,000, and the repayment period extends from 2 to 5 years. A fixed interest rate ensures consistent monthly payments, offering transparency about the total cost of the loan upfront. Your specific rate hinges on factors such as your credit score history and the type of loan you seek. Prior to loan approval, Monzo conducts a credit history check through the credit reference agency TransUnion. How to access to Monzo Loan. To embark on the Monzo Loan journey, being an existing customer with the app is a prerequisite. This is a step-by-step guide to taking out and repaying a Monzo loan. Open your Monzo app and navigate to the Account tab, then kickstart your application by tapping on Loans and Overdrafts. Meeting Monzo credit score criteria is crucial for loan eligibility. Choose the amount you wish to borrow and then loan duration, proceeding to the Review Your Loan section. Once satisfied with the loan terms, finalize the application by tapping to Apply. Upon approval, anticipate receiving the loan funds on the same day. For seamless repayment, Monzo automates monthly deduction from your current account. Keep tabs on your payment history, remaining the installment, and the total loan cost effortlessly using the Monzo app. Pros and cons. Pros. Versatile borrowing ranges. Secure a loan for amounts starting as low as £200 or reaching up to £25,000. Option for early repayment. Take advantage of the flexibility to make additional payments or settle your loan ahead of schedule without incurring penalties. Streamlined online application. With a Monzo account, access a quick and straightforward loan application process, all within minutes through the app. Swift fund disbursement. Gain approval for your loan and access the funds on the very same day you submit your application. Cons. Exclusive to Monzo clientele. This loan opportunity necessitates either an established Monzo account or the initiation of a new one for application access. A minimum credit rating is a prerequisite for eligibility, and checking your credit score through Credit Karma using the Monzo app is a straightforward process. Exercise caution when considering smaller loans over extended periods, as this approach may yield low monthly repayments but could result in a comparatively higher overall cost due to the associated high APR. To qualify for a Monzo personal loan, ensure compliance with the following conditions. Attain a minimum age of 18 years, maintain residency in the UK, possess an active Monzo account, satisfy Monzo stipulated criteria for credit history and credit score. Credit score requirement. Monzo generally extend loans offers to individuals boasting robust credit score. It's crucial to recognize that while your credit history holds significance, Monzo takes various factors into account. Nevertheless, it's essential to acknowledge that obtaining approval for a Monzo loan becomes highly improbable if your credit score falls short. To achieve a good or excellent credit rating, Experience scale mandates a score of 881 or above. Equifax scale requires 531 or higher, and TransUnion scale stipulates a minimum of 604. Monzo Loan Instant Decision. Monzo typically provides prompt online decision, with occasional instances requiring additional information. Begin by utilizing the soft search eligibility checker to assess your approval likelihood, a step that won't impact your credit score. Should you choose to proceed with the application, an instant response awaits. Monzo also extends the possibility of same-day funding for your loans. Multiple loans. Does Monzo let you run multiple loans simultaneously? No, Monzo does not permit simultaneous management of multiple loans. Repayment on Monzo loan. Is it possible to make additional payment on a Monzo loan? Absolutely. You can make extra payment without facing any penalty fees. It's important to note though that Monzo may continue to apply interest for a period of up to 2 months on any amounts that exceed the regular repayments. While over repayments can lead to savings on interest, the actual saving might not be as substantial as anticipated. Conclusion. In conclusion, obtaining a loan from Monzo can be a viable and a convenient financial solution for individuals seeking flexible and transparent borrowing options. Monzo's commitment to user-friendly mobile banking, straightforward terms, and competitive interest rates make the loan application process accessible and straightforward. However, it is crucial for borrowers to carefully consider their financial circumstances and repayment capabilities before opting for any loans. Responsible borrowing and a true understanding of the term and condition are essential to ensure a positive and manageable financial experience with Monzo loan. As with any financial decision, individuals should weigh the benefit and risk, and only proceed with a loan if it aligns with their long-term financial goal and stability. And there we have it. If you find this guide helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribe to the channel.